Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a box I haven't unboxed on my channel for a good couple of months, and it is the Next Beauty box, and this is the 2020 Hall of Fame. Rather large box. The cost of this box is £20. It contains 16 products and it has a value of over £110. Next, I've been doing these beauty boxes now for over a year. They did start off doing them for about £10, then they went up to 15, then some are 18, and now they're 20. So I'm not too sure. I'll have to look back over my other videos to see the contents in the earlier boxes from last year. Maybe there wasn't as many, maybe there's more now or something, I don't know. But yeah, there is quite a bit of a jump in cost within a year. One of the reasons I haven't unboxed it on my channel for the last couple of months is because a lot of the products do seem to be quite samey. Samey as in what I receive in other monthly subscription boxes, and some products we've seen in previous Next boxes as well. But this one took my fancy. I thought, you know what, I haven't bought one for a long while, I'm going to treat myself this month, and there's some really lovely products inside. Next do these boxes monthly. They're not subscriptions, they release them around the first week, although saying that, they have released them like 2 or 3 weeks into the month, so there's no particular date then that they release them. You get to see all of the products online, so you're able to work out whether it's a box for you or not. So let's get on to showing you what's inside this month's. Oh, this is new. This hasn't happened before. It's got all the products inside the box. So normally we don't have a card, or not when I last had the box a couple of months ago, we didn't anyway. Alright then, so let's open it up and show you. 16 products in a box. I'll give you a sneak peek first. So I'll get them out one by one, showing you what's inside. So the first item is a shower detangler, and this is by Wetbrush, and this is a shower friendly hangable design plus detangling without breakage or pain. I am really excited about this. Really excited. Something that you can actually keep in the shower. I have gel nails that I have done in a nail salon, and after a couple of weeks they start to lift slightly, so when I'm in the shower washing my hair, when I'm trying to rinse like conditioner or whatever out of my hair, my hair sometimes gets stuck in these nails, and I hate it because my hair isn't actually very thin and very fine. I am wearing a halo hair extension on the bottom here. The top is all my hair, but the bottom is fake, but it's very fine, so it's like any hair that I break, I'm devastated. It's like, no. So actually having something like this is going to really help. I love the fact that it's quite flexible. There's a lot of air space in there, which helps in detangling, but detangling safely. It's the sort of brush I would use with conditioner in my hair. So once I've applied the conditioner, leave it on my hair for a little while, wash my body, and then use this then to comb out any knots, and then rinse, and I should be all right then, instead of normally coming out the shower. It depends on what shampoo conditioner I use, but yeah, coming out the shower, towel dry my hair, and then having a wide tough comb then, and finding I've got lots of knots around here. I am really excited for this. Next, we've got a liquid chocolate body mask, and this is from Rabbot, 1745, St. Lucia. Detoxify, purify and soothe with an intensely fragranced cocoa-rich mask. Skin is left soft, fresh and glowing. Ultimate indulgence for chocolate lovers. Rinse off with a warm damp cloth, and this is full size as well at 200 grams. Oh my word. Look at that. Oh my gosh, what are the ingredients? What are the ingredients? There's no warnings, do not lick. Oh my god, that just looks so... I love chocolate. If you haven't already guessed, I absolutely adore chocolate. I love white chocolate, dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so nice. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. I don't know what it's like on my body, but actually the smell and the look of it, that is so nice. Really chuffed to that as well. Next, we've got a product by Murad, and this is a mini Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum, and this is SPF 30, and it's a primer and anti-aging treatment in one, and there's 5 mils here. Oh, that sounds really nice actually. I don't think I've tried this. Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Primer with an SPF 30. That sounds really, really good. So yeah, I can't wait to try that out. Next we got a product by Ren, and this is a Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash, and there's 50 mils here, and I've tried this before and this is really, really lovely. This is a really nice sort of travel size. Pop in your bag if you're going away for the night, or yeah, as we know, 2020 is not the year for doing that, is it? But yeah, I've got a box under my bed that I keep all like little minis that I know I like, so I'm gonna pop that in there afterwards. Next we got a Philip Kingsley Styling, and this is Perfecting Primer Heat Protection Spray, and we've got 60 mils here. Another product I haven't tried before. The Philip Kingsley, the elasticizer, the hair treatment, that was doing the rounds in subscription boxes a lot in the last year or two. I don't particularly like it on my hair actually, but a load of you love it. But it's nice to see something different. I do really like that, and I always use heat protection sprays, balms, things like that on my hair. So yeah, quite excited for that as well. Next, we got a teeny tiny little Rituals. The Ritual of Ayurveda. It's a nurturing shower oil, Indian rose and sweet almond oil, and this is 10 mils. So this is like a little sample. This is gorgeous. I love this. I don't like rosy smells at all, as a lot of you may already be aware, but this is gorgeous. Indian rose is, yeah, it's different. Oh, it's one of my favourite Ritual scents. It is really, really lovely. Next, we got a Grace Cole England, and this is a white nectarine and pear softening hand nail cream, and there's 30 mils here. Again, another product I've never tried before. Woo! I've put quite a lot on my hands. Quite a lot. Massage into my cuticles. That feels lovely. That feels really, really nice. Yeah, I do really like that. Then we've got a Noble Isle Fireside. This is from the Munwi Valley, and this is a body lotion, and there's 30 mils here. Fireside kindles the warm, spicy aromas of a country inn with vitamin-rich beet extract. Just a tiny bit there. If it didn't mention anything about it being like the aromas of a country inn, then I would never have guessed. But now that it's in my mind, yeah, I can see what they mean. A nice woody smell. So there's that. There we got a little sample of bareMinerals Prime Time, and this is the original foundation primer, and there's 7 mils here. This is a really lovely primer. I've tried it a few times. I really like the hydrating one. It's the same one. It's the I'm sure it's Prime Time, but hydrating one. Yeah, I really do like it. It's going down, it's going down. Next we got an Origins product, and this is Checks and Balances, a frothy face wash, and we got 15 mils here. Now I've tried this, and this is really nice as well. Oh no, what happened there? I just squeezed it. Look, I squeezed it and it's coming out there. There's a crack in it. There's a crack in it. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna have to clean that up now. A bit of a mess there. Next we've got a mascara, and this is a mini of Benefit BADgal BANG. This is a fab mascara, but a nightmare to get off. But it is good. You only need a maximum, really, of 2 layers, and or else, unless it depends on what you like to go for, really. But yeah, it can look quite clumpy. But yeah, it's really, really black. So if you really like thick black lashes, that is waterproof. Next, we've got a little sample of This Works, and this is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And it's Can't Sleep. I've had this a few times in different boxes as well. It's just a little mini one there. And yeah, it's a nice pillow spray. It is a nice pillow spray. You've got 2.5 mils. It's not going to last long, but it'll just give you a few squirts so that you can see if it's for you or not. But yeah, it's a nice spray. My daughter absolutely loves pillow sprays, so we tend to share them. Then we've got a face mask, and this is by OK, and this is a gentle warming facial steam mask, and it clears pores. SOS Save Our Skins, made in Korea. And I actually have got this ready to use in my pile of face masks. I haven't used it yet. I can't remember where I got the other one from, but I really love the fact that it's a steaming one. It's a little bit different, isn't it? There's not much information actually. Never mind. So here you go. Next we got a Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in golden pink. It's the outer packaging. I'm wondering if I've had this before. Maybe in a Next Beauty box before, or the same product but maybe a different shade. So Let's try some, although I've got some cream on. Woo, can you see there? So there's that. Next we've got a product by FILORGA. This is Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream, and we've got 15 mils here. Formulated with a powerful mix of cellular factors, collagen and hyaluronic acid, Lift Structure works deep within the skin, increasing firmness and definition around the cheekbones and necklines. So yeah, so it's a face cream. And then lastly, we got a product by Polar. This is Polar Night Revitalizing Cream with boreal algae, and there's 15 mils here. I've tried this cream before as well, not for a long time. It just says revitalizes and repairs your skin while you sleep. So those are all the items. So there's 16 in all. The cost of the box is £20. It has a value of £110. I am really chuffed this month. Really chuffed. There's quite a few full size items in there. I love that shower brush and that chocolate body mask. Wow, I haven't seen that before, so I can't wait to give that a go. But yeah, some really lovely things. It's all scattered around me now. A mix of products that I have and haven't had before. But yeah, definitely a box I am glad I bought. Really happy. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you already bought it? Or did you see it and thought, nah, it's not for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.